Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the third part of this video, I will be showing you how to add text, hatches, and set and create the dimension. Let's get started. To add text, we need to first create a layer and then click here on this icon. We can then put text, choose a color. Let's go with orange. Press OK. And then from here, you can double click it to make the layer current. And then we could go over here at the text. You can either choose single or multi-text. I'm going to choose multi-text. I'm going to click on the insertion point. I'm going to type H for height. I'm going to set it to maybe 9 inches. Press enter. And then now, let's click it again. And we could put the name. So this one will be living area. And then click outside to finish. We're just going to make it bigger. You can also grab and hold so that you can place it wherever you want. So I'm going to set it there. So now that we created this, we could just click this text and we could copy. So click copy, and to make it easier, let's turn off ortho. So here I'm gonna put washroom, select here, also here, and then kitchen. Press escape to finish the command. And now, the next thing that you do is just double click on the text. You can now change the text. So WR for washroom. I'm gonna grab it and hold it so that I could estimate the area. I'm gonna change this by double clicking. I could control A to select everything and then just type bedroom 1 space and 1 and then press enter. Actually, you just need to click outside. I'm gonna do this again. Control A, bedroom 2, and then click outside. I'm gonna double click here, Control A, and then I'm gonna put kitchen, and then click outside. And lastly, select only this text, dining area, click outside. I'm gonna select it like this. Okay, and then click escape and then we're done with the text. So the next part is we're gonna add hatch. So to do that, we need to create a layer first for a hatch. So new layer, hatch, click outside, and then set the color. Let's choose a light pink. And then press OK. And then now let's go over here at the draw tools, click the hatch. Let's select, before we do that, let's go over to our layers and let's set it to hatch. After that, let's click hatch. We're gonna choose solid, and then we're just gonna hover on this area, and because this area is enclosed, it will create this form. You just need to click it. So keep on clicking it to the area or to the walls. Click. And lastly, this one. Once you're done, close hatch creation, and we have our hatch. Press escape. So the next part is we need to add dimension. But before we do that, we need to create the layers first. So new layer, and then type in dimension. Click outside. Let's change the color. I'm gonna choose red. Press OK. And we can double click it here to set the layer current. Once we do that, we need to go to annotation. So click here, click on this side, dimension style. You can either click new. For this instant, I'm just gonna modify. So here, let's start with line. So for the line, I'm gonna offset this from origin. I'm gonna set this to 6 inches. So where the point of origin, you're gonna set the dimension, it will offset from there. So I'm gonna put 6 here, 6 inches. Next, symbols and arrow. I'm gonna make this arrow size bigger. I'm gonna put 10 inch. For the text, I'm gonna make the text bigger. So I'm gonna make it 10 inch. Primary units, I'm gonna select this as architecture. I'm gonna put the precision to 0. And once I'm done, I'm gonna click OK. And then close. So now let's try adding a dimension. So as you can see, the arrowhead size is big enough, the text size is big enough. So I created one dimension. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to annotation, and I could select discontinue. So once I do that, I could create all the dimension faster. Press escape to finish the dimension. I'm gonna go back again to linear, and I'm gonna add the total dimension. I'm gonna set this as 1 as well. Press escape. I'm gonna set another dimension. And then click continue. And then press escape to finish the command. One more thing, I'm gonna put a dimension on this. So just click linear. And there you go. Press escape to finish the command. That's about it with the tutorial on how to create a simple floor plan. I'll be sharing the files, and the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.